And this is the Play Kids Explorer subscription box.
Oh, really?
Hi, Milton.
Milton, hi. Don't you chew on this.
Come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay.
It's like a little backpack. It looks like a little backpack. It's so cute.
Okay. Let's see what's in it.
Ooh, look on the back. It's cute. Ooh. That might be carrot. Build it.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna give this to Milton so that Milton doesn't chew on your good box.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, Millie?
Ooh.
You know what that is? It's a passport.
To go where?
Well,
Where do we go with this?
I think it's part of this. So let's see what there is. So we've got
Ooh.
a cool passport.
I think these are crowns. I think this is. No, I don't think this is safe action.
Let's see what this says. You can put your adventure stamp here.
There might be a stamp in there.
And there's a logbook for a destination, the date, and what were the best 3 moments in your adventure.
I got cards
And these,
in a box. Got cards.
how to play, they are quiz cards.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, what's this?
Oh, look here. They're animal quizzes and about science and stuff.
Ooh.
Okay, so where'd that box go? Here?
Yeah.
So this is the box the quiz cards came in. Cool. And then,
There you go.
hello family.
No. Away.
It's for kids 1 to 10 years old. And so that just kind of tells you a little bit about it.
This book.
This is the Super Guide for New Explorers, because this is your first box.
Yeah.
So we'll get to read through that.
That's the stamp they're talking about, I think.
What a watery
Look at
adventure.
this.
Don't forget to stamp your passport with the Deep Into the Sea official sticker. So this is going to be one of the places that you go.
Ooh, a coloring. You can sort of color this if you want.
Dive deep into the unknown activity book. And this is, we build this.
Yeah.
Now look at the front. Whose name is that?
Izzy!
So who does that look like?
Me!
Yeah?
It was! And ooh, this is awesome! I look so cute. I look cheeky.
You look cheeky.
Yeah, I have big cheeks. I'm chubby cheeks now. I have chubby cheeks.
Oh, look at you. So let's go to one of the middle pages.
That is a random one I popped in. Oh, the girl and here is in the back.
Yeah. Here, let's see if it says your name anywhere else instead of just the front. Let's see. Oh, sorry. It's kind of hard to see. We'll have to look through and see where else your name pops up. Yeah? So what do you think of that? And then it comes with a handle so that this turns into a carrying case.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is the best thing ever. Thank you. Thank you. I want to build this. I want to build
Yeah?
one.
You like it?
Yes, so much.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Hi, Milton. Wait, I want to show them Milton.
Yeah, Milton's not going to stay still for that.
That's our bunny.